Hello everyone, this is Vivek. Good afternoon. Miss Twilight, when we woke up around 9 something, after I fed her, I went back to sleep. So for 3 hours, but I feel like it wasn't enough. I wanted to sleep more. All mothers are probably wanting more sleep. It's funny because I was looking over a BuzzFeed. They were had a poll. That's how much you want to sleep and prefer. Do you prefer to sleep more or do you prefer to watch your favorite TV show finally? And it's like, a lot of people say they want to sleep. It's funny. Anyways, hopefully I could edit my vlogs about Twilight on her jumperoo. But luckily, but not luckily, I might not have that luck because she was kind of like crying. And it's raining today. It was raining yesterday too. It's raining a lot today. Oh no! I hope I see some rainbow. Mupu ya, mupu ya, mupu ya, mupu ya. Mupu ya, 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 yeah. You look so cute. You're like a muffin baby. Muffin baby, muffin baby. Muffin baby, muffin baby. Yeah, stretch those muscles. Shiracha, baby! You were a shiracha yesterday, too. We should change you a different clothes. Right, Mupu? Get to wear all your clothes before they become smaller to you. I ordered Dominos just now. It's nice that I could use the 50% off discount again. Because I love that I could add all the topping as much as I want. That thing coupon, I think it expires should expire tomorrow, I think. Or is it next, oh, it's this week. It's probably this week, yeah. Anyways, I was just thinking about Capricorn. I did buy the ticket, but the thing is, I don't know if it's gonna work out because, you know, Twilight and stuff. So we'll see about that. Yeah. I was thinking if I should wear my contact lens, but then like I haven't worn my contact lens for such a long time, probably like almost a year now. So I feel like it's gonna be hard for me to put it on, and then if I put it on, it's gonna like be so dry, and I'm gonna be like panicked because it hurts. And that's why I should carry my glasses just in case. But like, ugh. But yeah, the outfit I'm wearing, I would need a contact lens. So we'll see about that. Yeah, we'll see about that. Sorry, I look so pale on this because of the lighting. If I just maybe lower the... Oh my god, the wonder. Okay, there you go. Now that's better. It was because the setting was like up like to the brighter to make it more brighter. Yeah, I still eat parental vitamins for the folate. You know how if you're still breastfeeding, you have to eat it. So this is what I eat. It's called Alive! Orchard fruits, garden veggies with plant source DHA. I got this from Marlene's. I don't know if you can get it at Trader Joe's. But yeah, it only has 800 mcg. I don't know, micrograms is what I call it. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin E, thiamine B1, riboflavin B2, niacin B3, vitamin B6. And folic acid, of course. Biotin. Sodium. Oh, I didn't know it had sodium in here. Oh wow, it had zinc? I had no idea either. I made my boyfriend eat one. Or actually not this one. He ate not this one. He ate the omega one. I don't like the omega one. That's a little fishy to me. Oh, there you go. It's right here. It says strawberry flavor, and it's okay, but you can taste the fishiness, but Why you're so white but mommy's black? Mommy's like the dark side of the moon. Blah. I love you. You don't care about mommy's kissing you. How dare you? I love you, I said. And you look away from mommy? It's okay, I love you still. Mupu, number, Mupu, number, Mupu, number, Mupu. 요즘에 말 안 해, 무프 엄마랑? What happened here? Oh, what is on your skin? Oh my god. So dry, Mupu. That's so not good. My daughter's skin, something's wrong with it. It's either just very dry, but it's clear. Look at that. Do you see this? It's not even clear. Poor Mupu. Is that a dimple, Mupu? Do you have a dimple? She has a dimple. Eh? My baby has a dimple? How did that happen? Does mommy have dimples? And I don't have dimples. Maybe that's not dimple. Dimple should be right here, right? Baby, cutie, cutie baby. What's wrong, Mupu? Do you want to sleep or do you want to wake up? We're watching Brother Bear again. But, she started crying. I don't know if maybe she's bored? Not sure. Dress came from Sammydress. I love it. This is also large. I don't think this is large. I think this is X large. Because I got the red one and it was kind of a little snug right here. So I got X large and it fits me perfectly. 뭐야, 자야지. Oh, she's trying to make a frown face. Are you punching daddy? Telling him to stop snoring, Dad. Now I know how mommy feels when she's trying to sleep.
I think she gets snored. I mean, not
She's
scared.
Snored. That's a nice word for to say, Oppa.
Mm.
Oh, Mupu getting scared.
She was getting scared.
That is the Snorlax from Pokemon. Do it louder. Louder. That's how mommy feels. Look at her. She's staring right at you. She's like, 이 사람이 뭐야? Is this a person or is it a monster?
I'm sorry, Mupu.
And there's a camera staring at me.
I'm sorry. Mupu. Mupu.
Try snore again. It is 10:05 p.m. and I decided what I'm gonna wear for Capricorn, but we'll see. I mean, it is pretty short, but I know. I don't have any cosplay, so. Anyways, I just post a long message on my cosplay soul just to like clear up misunderstanding because people think that these photos belong to me, but they don't even check the front page. So it's like, ugh, I don't like those people who don't check the front page and just, you know, complain and stuff like that. Ugh. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna end my vlog. Thank you for watching my vlog, you guys. Good night. Good night. Bye.